Text Writing Module Function Introduction. Handle overlapping text. Delete overlapping text. This command is used to clean up overlapping identical text. Click the Delete Overlapping Text function. Select Objects. Enter the error range. Choose whether to change the color of the text. The program automatically clears overlapping text. Check overlapping text. This command is used to find overlapping text and mark the locations with red arrows. Click the Check Overlapping Text function. Select Objects. Overlapping text is automatically marked with red arrows. Command line reports found a total of n text overlaps. Overlapping text check completed. Delete checkbox. This command is used to delete the arrow marks produced by the Find Overlapping Text command. Click the Delete Checkbox function. The checkboxes for overlapping text on the drawing are deleted. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.